When it comes to outdoor adventures, having the right gear can make all the difference. Whether you're camping, hiking, or hosting a backyard barbecue, a good portable speaker can elevate your experience. The TurtleBox Gen 2 is a top contender in the realm of outdoor portable speakers, boasting impressive features and performance. Let's take a look at what makes the TurtleBox Gen 2 a standout choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Performance and sound quality. One of the most remarkable features of the TurtleBox Gen 2 is its sound quality. This speaker is designed to be loud, making it perfect for open spaces where sound can easily dissipate. The Gen 2 can deliver up to 120 decibels of clear, distortion-free sound. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or audio from a movie, the TurtleBox ensures you hear every detail. The bass is robust, the mids are clear, and the highs are crisp, providing a well-rounded audio experience. The TurtleBox Gen 2 is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Its rugged construction includes a weather-resistant design that can handle rain, dust, and even the occasional splash. The speaker is also drop-resistant, giving you peace of mind when you're on the go. The durable exterior is complemented by a sturdy handle, making it easy to carry the speaker wherever your adventures take you. Battery life and connectivity. Battery life is another strong suit of the TurtleBox Gen 2. With up to 25 hours of playtime on a single charge, you can enjoy your favorite tunes all day and into the night. This extended battery life is particularly useful for weekend camping trips or long days at the beach. The TurtleBox Gen 2 uses Bluetooth 5.0 technology, ensuring a stable and reliable connection to your devices. Pairing is quick and straightforward, and the connection range is impressive, allowing you to control the speaker from a distance without interruptions. User-friendly features. The TurtleBox Gen 2 is designed with user convenience in mind. The controls are simple and intuitive, so you can easily adjust the volume, skip tracks, or pause the music. The speaker also includes an auxiliary input, giving you the option to connect devices that don't support Bluetooth. No product is perfect, and the TurtleBox Gen 2 has a few minor drawbacks. While the speaker is portable, it's on the heavier side, which might be a consideration for those who need to travel light. One of the main cons is its high price tag of around $400. This can be a significant investment for some users. Overall, the TurtleBox Gen 2 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Its impressive sound quality, durability, and user-friendly features make it a great investment for outdoor enthusiasts. If you are in the market for a reliable and powerful outdoor speaker, the TurtleBox Gen 2 is worth considering. That's all for now. Like and share the video and follow us for more amazing updates. Thank you.